Hi everyone. In the last session, we have seen about life cycle of AngularJS. So we have observed about the 5 steps here: creation, watcher registration, model mutation, mutation observation, and finally scope destruction. Okay. So if any changes in the model, those are available in outside of AngularJS. It cannot handle. AngularJS cannot handle. So to detect that model changes in AngularJS, we need to use $API, right? Sorry, $apply API. Okay, $apply we need to use, or $digest. So we need to remember this one. For create in the creation phase, we are using $injector to create root scope. Then in the master registration, we are propagating model values to the DOM object. Okay, by using what? $watch. Next, so we are using for model mutation that one $apply, and for mutation observation we are using $digest. Okay, finally we will destruct the $scope by using $scope destroy function. Right? Till now we have discussed. Now I am going to show one example. We can see here. First we need to know how the process will be. So simple things, some note points we can remember. Scope lifecycle. So here for every module in AngularJS application, we are having one or more controllers. See here, controller 1, controller 3, 2, 3. Okay. For every controller, we have one or more variables. Okay, scope variables or scope functions. Right? Now, here Angular watch every variable in the scope. That is done by what? $watch. So what is the work of $watch? So Angular watch every variable in the scope. Every variable AngularJS is watching by using what? By using $watch element. Okay. So what is the work of $watch here? Whenever there is any update in JS, means in the controller, it will update same thing in the HTML part, view part. If any update in the JS means controller, it will update in the HTML means view. And whenever if there is an update in HTML, it will update in the controller. Okay, HTML means in JS it will update. Okay, vice versa. So that is the work of $watch. Two-way binding we can do by using $watch. This $watch does the functionality of two-way binding. So here $watch will invokes $digest will invokes all $watch variables which having any changes. Having any changes in the variable we are trying to update. So what we need to invoke? So digest will invoke $watch. Next, $apply will invokes all the digest. $apply sits on the module level, $digest sits on the controller level, and the $watch sits on the variable level. See, for easy remembering, I can give you here $apply invokes $digest invokes $watch. Okay, so this $apply sits on module level, then digest sits on controller level. Next, watch sits on variable level. So here you can remember this thing easily by using this view. So apply sits on module, dollar digest sits on controller, and dollar was sits on variable level. So dollar apply. So dollar watch, what is the work of dollar watch? AngularJS watching the variables, each variable which I created in the controller. So what it will do means two-way binding from the controller to view, view to controller. Here that values invokes, if any changes happening, so that invokes digest, okay, and the apply invokes digest. So digest invoke dollar watch. Are you understanding? Right. So what is happening? So when we can use this apply and digest here. So whenever the modal data means any text box whatever is available in the form. So that modal data, username, password, these things. So any changes available outside of the AngularJS. So how AngularJS know about that? How the changes are known by AngularJS? It's not possible, right? So for knowing that all those things, so this is the process actually. And here, so the changes available within the controller, by using $digest we can make it view, okay. If that changes available outside of AngularJS like JavaScript or jQuery, then we can use $apply. Then what are the changes happening in the controller, that things we can show on the view page, okay. So I can use $timeout for representing these things. See the example. Now you can understand if you see the example here. See, we are having the example. One variable I have taken username. So value assigned initialized to that variable. So I am trying to print that one. And after this, I am trying to update that username with Shraddha and Saburi. Right. So I am using some milliseconds, means 2 seconds, to update the value. So if any changes available in the controller, that I can print on JavaScript with the JavaScript alert, right? Okay, but it is not update on the view page. It is updated in the controller. It will not affect on the view page. Okay. Then if you are using $timeout, that values we can view on the view page. So inside of that dollar timeout, what is happening means this is the life cycle we can show, right? So now you can I can show you that example. 6th module life cycle. Right click, run on, open with Google Chrome. See here. See here, homes are available. So I am refreshing again for better clarity. After 2 seconds, we are getting updated variable Saburi. So this is JavaScript element alert. So in JavaScript, we are showing this was updated. Means within the controller it is updated. Username changed. But if I am clicking on this, it is not affecting on the view page. Shraddha Saburi is not appearing, right? So to apply that one, so instead of using that set timeout, I can use the Angular element, that is $timeout. Okay, then here I can use $timeout function, $timeout function. So function, okay. Now what will happen, you can observe here. Control S, Alt Tab, refresh the browser. What is happening? $timeout, spelling correct only, $timeout. So $timeout function. So I have closed, right? That's why it is not. So you can observe now. So Sai, after 2 seconds we will get the output if you are clicking on this OK button. So you can see the updation. So what is happening internally in the timeout function? So you can use the life cycle. Okay. So it is timeout is a AngularJS element. Okay. So if there is no AngularJS element, we are having JS element, JS set timeout, JavaScript timeout. Then how you can update that value to the view? Okay, AngularJS doesn't know right about this. So for applying that update, showing that update, what we need to do? So we can write dollar apply or dollar digest. Then you can write dollar scope dot dollar apply. Okay, Control S, Alt Tab, refresh the browser. Sai, after 2 seconds we will get the alert. But the Saburi, it is not updated. Dollar apply, spelling mistake. Dollar apply, Control S, Alt Tab, refresh here. Refresh, alert message will come. Alert message. 1 second, 2 seconds. Okay, now you are updated. Okay, dollar apply, or you can use dollar digest. Okay, see, now also you can update the value on the view page. Okay, so Satya Saburi updated. So now where we can use dollar apply and digest? Now it is the updated value available in the controller. Now by using dollar digest, you can update that value in the view. If that is not available in the controller, that is available in the JavaScript.jQuery, so in the jQuery, then how you can update that value? Then you can update that value by using dollar apply. Okay, so that's what I am trying to prove here. So you have seen already. I think you understood about this program. Okay, this is about the life cycle, right? So that means what? So dollar watch. So while you are creating any variable, so AngularJS is watching that variable by using dollar watch. So any changes happening in dollar watch to update that value onto the web page. So that invokes dollar digest, means dollar digest invokes the watch, dollar watch. And finally, if it is available in outside of AngularJS, means jQuery and all, then we can use dollar apply to invoke dollar digest. So dollar apply is the module level, and dollar digest is the controller level, and dollar watch is the variable level. That's what I'm trying to prove you. Okay, I think you understood about this program. Thank you all. So you can practice this program.